Alrighty. Well, it's Christmas Day, 2009, and it snowed quite a bit last night. Got a lot on the porch. Check this out. Big old drift right there. It's a lot of snow. Oh, and Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas to anybody watching this from Oklahoma. Man. So my father-in-law was out here earlier. That was from him there. Man, it's thick. Oh. Pretty wild. Man. Yeah, I'd say there's at least, oh, I don't know, 6 inches maybe. A little more. Some places more. So Allie came out last night, and it looks like she went for right under the porch. Looks like melting off the roof there. That's kind of cool. Oh wow, look at this. Man. That's probably pretty thick right there too. That actually dips down into the fence. Man. In the drive. Whoa. Cleveland's over there have big old drifts. Wow. This is pretty cool. My gosh. Starting to melt a little there. Man, that is thick. Check out behind the house. Oh. My goodness. It's really cool how it makes these ridges like this, these drifts. Honeysuckle there. Man. So yeah, this was our Christmas 2009. Our winter wonderland, if you will. My goodness. Well, I don't know when we'll have another white Christmas, but it's pretty cool. Pretty cool.